Hey there, it's me MD Pranto. Nowadays, I'm gonna tell you why you can't improve your English pronunciation. Though you still practice in English, but you can't see any result. To be honest, there is only one way to improve your English pronunciation very rapidly. When you think English is a language, and if you think English is a subject, believe me, you will never be able to sense your English pronunciation because language learning is very easy if you practice every day, if you keep consistency, if you never ever give up. That time it will be possible, otherwise it won't be possible. I have been practicing in English for 9 months. Before this 9 month, I couldn't speak any single sentence because I I memorize many types of English grammars, vocabulary, read the English books, listened native English speaker speech. Although I couldn't see any improve in myself. For this reason, I admitted a coaching center. From there, they at first taught me you will have to think English is a language. When you will learn as a language in English, able to it will be able to improve your English pronunciation. Otherwise, not. For this reason, as a English learner and as a English speaker, I wanna suggest you never ever think English is a subject. If you think English is a subject, you wouldn't be sense your English pronunciation. Another thing is how many times should you practice in English. Sincerely speaking, I am nobody to tell you how many times should you practice in English every day because there is no limitation to learn language. It can be any language, and to learn language it will take several times. It can be 1 year, it can be 2 years, it can be 5 years. If you want to learn a language like a pro quality, minimum you will have to practice 2 years to 3 years because in the language has many types of activity. So to capture and memorize that, it must take times. I can still practice in English, although this time I don't make many types of sentence because I don't need those type of sentence. So if you want to learn spoken English at first, you fix why do you want to learn spoken English. Then you decide which type of vocabularies you should learn. If you think and if you specific your goals, it will be easy and it will be possible to learn English in very short time. First of all, you think English is a language. Secondly, you think you make plan and why do you want to learn spoken English, and if you want to give IELTS exam, you learn which type of vocabularies you need at IELTS exam. So, no more today. Mercy, pray for me. See you again in the next time.